Hi guys, today I will show you how to make photosynthetic microorganisms. You need to pour 1.5 lit, and when you pour, you need to leave space like this. This one is 1 tablespoon of monosodium glutamate, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and an egg, 1 egg. This one you need, and water from the nature, and this one is from my fish pond. Now I'm going to pour this in. Wow! When I pour it, it's like a round. Now I'm going to pour this in. I'm going to mix raw egg with cooked egg. And then I'm going to pour this here. Now I'm going to mix it already. Now I'm going to pour it right here. Whoa, 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 whoa. And you need to mix it 1 time per day. And this one, my mom is helping me. Whoa, 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 so cool. Wow. But you need to shake 1 time per day, okay? Oop. Wow, so cool. What is it? You need to put it near the sun, and you need to shake like this. Now I will shake. And for 1 month. Oops. This one I think is. After 1 month, it will change, and be like this. If it have the bubble, you need to get the bubble out by you doing like this. Whoa! You don't need your hands to do like this. You need spoons or something else. And see you on next video. Bye bye. If you don't understand, comment down below, okay?